Dr. Witte, we just heard a lecture of yours regarding the legal perspective of the problem we have using implants with room for improvement, or let's say with some remnants, contaminants. What is maybe you can give us a brief summary of your lecture.
Yeah, in the end I just presented three key takeaway messages for the audience, and the general legal problems that arrive here are on the one hand the need to act for manufacturers of dental implants and for dentists, because this topic that the CleanImplant Foundation is bringing on the table is so important, and they need to act with sealing or with a better choice of implant when you're a dentist. And the second key message that I wanted to bring out in my lecture was that there is the European class action lawsuit coming. I'm pretty sure it will come in the next years, and therefore the legal problems for big companies that are producing medical devices will increase. And as a third point, of course, sealing, in addition to CE marks or FDA clearance by neutral institutions that have a testing, research and testing procedure on a scientific basis, is of course an additional good argument both for dentists and manufacturers as well.
So this is not only hypothetical, theoretical information. You think that we have a trend in the US that suing dentists for anything or medical personnel would come to the European market? As we see, especially in the US, we see some problems with, especially when you use implants with some impurities.
Yeah, this is a general tendency on the one hand that consumer protection rights are being improved all over Europe, which is a good thing. But on the other side, of course, the class action lawsuit possibility that will come in the European Union will increase this problem, and it will strengthen the impact of this problem for the manufacturers. And then in a couple of years we will have a similar situation to the United States over here in Europe, I think.
Okay, so it's always good to be on the safe side, I think. Thank you, Dr. Witte, for your wonderful lecture. Thank you.
Thank you.